But that thing, that cloud, everything cleared away. The wall is right. Well, I don't, it's a ways away. It's trying to form. It keeps dropping down a little and then go back up. But it was down on the ground forever. I don't know if it's that one. Yeah, it's on the ground right now. You can see it. It's not, how close is it to us? We can see it. We can see it, but I can't figure out if it's close or not. It's close. Gosh, it's close. It's coming right towards me. What do I do? Josh, they said that it's gonna... All I can think of is my bath. Josh, it's coming to us.
Stephanie, take cover. Come on, Zeke. Come on. Come on.
Josh is inside.
Come on. Zeke, come on.
Zeke, come on.
Come on, Zeke. Go on.
Oh no, it's making my ears hurt. My ears are hurting. Dan, it's okay. Ah! Here, cover yourself up. Andrea!
What?
It's over us.
I know.
Right now.
Just relax. It's on the ground.
It's okay.
Can you hear anything happening?
We heard loud pops. My ears were popping. Shh.
There's loud pops.
It's gonna
Take a
stay
shot
over
on
us.
that. There's nothing out there.
It's not gonna just be gone quickly.
It's right over you right now.
I know, it already hit us a little.
Yeah.
It's doing it again.
Lynn Riggs. There's the field right by their house, Kevin. Look, it's right there. We can see it. Is it? Oh gosh, they're going down Flint Road right now. They're going right towards the guy in the car is going right towards your house.
Yeah.
I think it may be past you now, though.
It already hit.